Today, we are witnessing an intense battle between two premium summer tyres, the seasoned Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 and the Michelin's all-new Primacy 5. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the 2025 Aftenblatt Summer Tyre Test. In wet braking, the Michelin Primacy 5 impressively stops 2.2 meters shorter than the Goodyear, giving it a significant 6% edge. Around the wet track, Michelin is again faster by 0.9 seconds, a 1% improvement, with drivers praising its handling as a clear superiority. It even edged out Goodyear in straight-line aquaplaning resistance by maintaining traction at speeds 1.4 km higher, about a 2% advantage. But when it comes to dry braking, Goodyear strikes back, stopping nearly a meter shorter than Michelin, a 3% advantage. Both tyres, however, are equally matched in driver feel and handling confidence on dry surfaces. When it comes to wear, Michelin truly shines here, boasting an estimated 32% better mileage compared to Goodyear based on previous benchmarks. Clearly, longevity is the major strength for Primacy 5. Comfort seekers will appreciate Michelin's Primacy 5, which drivers rated 2 points higher, translating to a 10% improvement in perceived cabin quietness. Fuel-conscious driver takes note. Primacy 5 provides a 4% improvement in rolling resistance, offering better fuel economy and lower emissions. When it comes to price, the Michelin Primacy 5 is around 10% more expensive than the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6. Overall, the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 remains solid on dry roads. On the other hand, the Michelin Primacy 5 excels with impressive wet performance, better mileage, quieter rides, and enhanced efficiency. Despite its slightly higher cost, the Primacy 5 clearly demonstrates that it's worth the investment.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.